I'm Brian, and this is my wife Lynn, and we both helped start the Deep End Pool Club here at Kissing Tree.
The Deep End Pool Club is a group of our friends, and this is a cocktail pool, and it's the deepest end is about 3 feet 10 inches. And every Sunday we'd all come up, maybe about 20 of us, and we'd all yell, "We'll meet you in the deep end," and that's sort of how it got started.
The Deep End Club is more than a club, it's a lifestyle. We have people from all walks of life, all stages of life. Some are still working, some are retired. We just love getting together, and we all come together in the Deep End.
But it's also the start of the genesis of a lot of activities: Worst Fest, rodeo, Pearl Brewing, dinners out.
It's a club that's all about having fun and just enjoying life. We have our merchandise that we love to flaunt whenever we're at the mix or we're around the pool.
We really do care about each other. If someone is ill or has a need, we all step up to the plate. And we call it a club, but actually anybody is welcomed. Well, I like to say that living at Kissing Tree is life unscripted. Just do whatever you want. It's sort of like a cruise. You can do all of it or you can do none of it. Everybody is a friend.
We'll see you in the deep end.